G1 S, G2, these are the three substages of the interphase of cell cycle. Once the interphase is over, cell now ready for the division, right? Cell now ready for the which process that we call the division. Here, now we are going to first study about the mitosis. Okay, first division, that's the which one? Mitosis, remember. Now, mitosis basically, it's a Greek term. Just a second. First, I show you the pic. Yes. First, in interface. Okay, first imagine that cell in a which phase? Interface. In interface, cell prepare itself for the cell division. It prepares the required thing which need for the cell division. Right? Now, next thing that you should understand, during which one? Interface time, this, chromosomes are there, right? Chromosome in a which form? That thread network like form. If you can make out this one is the interface stage, right? Here, this is a cell. Inside the cell, nucleus is present. Inside the nucleus, genetic content is there, right? Genetic content, and ये जो आपको dark round structure दिखता है, that we call the nucleolus. Remember NOR, nuclear organizer region for rRNA synthesis present in nucleus, that is that NOR, right? Now, in the interphase stage, chromosome in a spreaded form, loose form, spreaded or which form? Loose form, that we call, or simple thread-like structure. See, actual chromosome structure like this, right? But in the interphase, chromosome in a thread-like form, right? When this thread, one thing that in kite festival, thread is there, okay? Simple thread-like structure is there, right? But if very long thread is there,
Yes, ma'am.
are you all, am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
This thing to make, how to make a lachi, right? In kite festival, an extra thread if you have then. So same pattern over here. That long thread-like chromosome is there, okay? That thread form, loose form, that we call chromatin. That we call what? Chromatin. आपको learn करना है chromatin, chromatid and chromosome, right? Chromatin form, loose form. Loose form, right? Now next, so in interface, chromosome in a network-like structure, loose form, that we call a chromatin, right? आप जस्ट इमेजिन करो कि थ्रेड है, पता है ना, काइट फेस्टिवल में डिफरेंट कलर्स के थ्रेड आते, रेड, येलो, ग्रीन, ब्लैक, राइट? जो कलर करता है, अगर उसके पास ये लच्छी जैसा स्ट्रक्चर है, इसके एक लच्छी जैसा स्ट्रक्चर है, and other one is a braided form of thread, right? In which one it can easily and properly coat the color? In which one? लच्छी like form or the loose form? बोलो. अर्पिता.
मैम फिर से रिपीट करो ना.
In which form? आपके पास एक ये लूज फॉर्म का नेटवर्क है थ्रेड का एंड अनदर इन दिस फॉर्मेट, राइट? अभी आपको इसको कलर करना है प्रॉपरली, इवनली, okay, on each thread, all sides of the threads should be coat with the color. Then you choose which one, this folded one or this loose one? Ayushi.
ए.
करेक्ट, ए इज द वन, राइट? आपने देखा होगा कलर करते हैं ना वो लोग भी ऐसे स्ट्रेट करते हैं पहले थ्रेड को, फिर कलर इम्पार्ट करते हैं इसके ऊपर, थ्रेड के ऊपर, काइट फेस्टिवल के टाइम पे, राइट? नाउ so that's why over here when this is the condensed form chromosome, क्रोमोसोम का ये लूज फॉर्म है. So when chromosome in a loose form, thread-like structure, so each and everything is properly replicated. You know, right? DNA basically form chromosomes. So DNA replication occur, right? So in interphase, chromatin form is there. Interphase chromatin, which is a thread-like network-like loose structure of the chromosome. बोलिए, किसी को भी पहले ये पॉइंट क्लियर नहीं है तो लेट मी इन्फॉर्म सो आई कैन रिपीट दिस थिंग. ऑल आर क्लियर? चलिए. टू प्रॉपरली रेप्लीकेट दैट डीएनए in the interphase chromosome in this format, that's a chromatin network like form, right? Now can you make out over here two centrioles are present, right? These two centrioles, remember centriole duplication occur in the S phase. So once this centriole is formed, two centrioles are there. Next, after G2, mitosis start. Mitosis is divisible into two parts. First of all, first that we call nuclear division occur. First, genetic content divide. So first nuclear division and second cytoplasmic division. First nuclear division, then cytoplasmic division. So mitosis in that nuclear division has four parts. First we call prophase. First we call the which one? Prophase. Then metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Four phases are there. Nuclear division के four parts: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Once at the end, telophase, nuclear genetic chromosomes, right? They divided into two equal halves in the daughter cell. Then cytoplasmic division begins, right? Now, how this thing happens, one by one we will see. So first, chromosome is there. Chromosome in the form of the chromatin network in the interphase. Now, after interphase, next that's the mitosis ka which phase? That's the prophase. Prophase is divisible into two, early and late. Meaning what? Once the chromatin interphase cell जैसे ही enter होता है into the mitosis, that we call early prophase. Early prophase, in that ये जो chromatin network है, now it convert into that folded structure and gradually it form chromosome like structure, right? This chromatin network convert into which structure? That's a chromosome. Chromosome, it is made up of chromatid. This one is a one chromatid, this is the second chromatid. Together we call their sister chromatids, right? Together we call their sister chromatids. So in this, that the after interphase prophase first that we call the early prophase, and second we call the late prophase. At towards the end, the stage of the prophase we call late prophase. At the beginning, we call the early prophase. Now, which events occur in the prophase? Prophase, remember, it's the longest phase of the mitosis. Longest phase of mitosis. If anyone asks, longest phase of cell cycle, then your answer interphase. Longest phase of cell cycle, that is which one? Interphase. Longest phase of mitosis, then remember it's a prophase. Now, by which event, okay, when we observe the cell under the microscope, which under that shows the mitosis, so by which event we can recognize if this is the prophase? In prophase, that condensation of chromosome begin. Condensation of chromosome meaning what? In the interphase, it's a loose network-like structure. Now it going to condense. Condense, just imagine that लच्छी, right? Kite festival लच्छी. So condense होके ये ऐसा format में आ जाता है, right? Condense means this chromatin network, it tightly fold in a such a way that it creates this type of the shape that we call the chromosome. So once prophase begins, condensation of chromosome begin. Remember, condensation of chromosomal material begin. That is the demarcation point event of prophase. Now next thing, can you make out over here? देखिए सेंट्रियोल इंटरफेस में जो फॉर्म हुआ है इन द एस फेज ओवर हियर, ग्रेजुअली दे चेंज देयर पोजीशन. दिख रहा है आपको? एक सेंट्रियोल जो लोअर है वो तो वहां पे ही है, बट द अपर वन एक्चुअली चेंजेस देयर पोजीशन, राइट? सो सेंट्रियोल स्टार्ट मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द ऑपोजिट पोल. दिस इज द वन पोल, this one we call other, means opposite side. Opposite poles meaning what? Over here, opposite side. This thing is required. So first event, remember that condensation of chromosome begin. Complete nahi. Which word? Begin. Initiation of chromosome start. Chromatin converts into chromosome, right? Chromatin converts into chromosome, by which two sister chromatids are formed and one centromere. When chromosome condensation begins, means chromatin condensation start, it forms a chromosome shape, proper shape. We know, अगर ऐसा structure है तो हम बोल देते कि chromosome. This is a condensed form. Chromosome present in this format also, but this one is a loose form. We call chromatin. Right, that is present in, remember, interphase. We are talking about the mitosis. So now chromosome should be in a proper shape. Just imagine कि अगर network like structure ही होता है mitosis में chromosome का, right? So सेल को कैसे पता चलता है कि हाँ चलो exactly यहाँ पे ये point पे half होगा, so we should divide that into 2 equal half. सेल को तो नहीं पता चलता, right? So to make it easy, chromatin shows condensation and forms this type of structure. So whenever division occur, 1 and 2, these two are separated. It becomes easy for cell, right? Now, second event, remember, centriole begins to move towards the opposite poles of the cell. Chromatin condensation begins. So chromosome formation takes place, 2 chromatids plus their centromere. Next, I told you, remember what is that, which fibers are present in the cell or formed during that cell division? Which fibers are formed during cell division? Gia?
Ma'am, spindle fibers.
Spindle fibers, right? So if we can make out, and these spindle fibers are made up of which protein? Kirtan?
Ma'am, tubulin.
tubulin protein, right? Spindle fibers are made up of tubulin protein. Now, so these are centriole. Remember role of the centriole? It helps in orientation, arrangement of microtubules. So it can easily bind with the chromosome and helps in division, right? So these are centriole. In between the centriole, can you make out this type of structures are there? Thread fibers, like they are spindle fibers. अभी just formation start हुआ है spindle fibers का, right? So जैसे जैसे centrioles move कर रहा है, spindle fiber length is also increasing. If you can make out, यहाँ पे देखो, then this and this, right? Now, can you make out over here? चलो ये interface का cell है and this is the prophase. First event that we have learned, chromatin convert into chromosome, condensation begin. Second, centriole start moving towards the opposite pole. Spindle fiber orientation start, right? Here spindle fiber forms during mitosis cell division, so we call mitotic spindle fiber. Meiosis में होगा तो हम बोलेंगे meiotic spindle fiber, right? Here we call mitotic spindle fiber, and that are made up of that's a microtubules. Tubulin protein is there. Next, थर्ड पॉइंट कोई मुझे डायग्राम को केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व करो, इंटरफेज एंड अर्ली प्रोफेज का जस्ट. कैन यू टेल मी थर्ड इवेंट इज विच वन? कहाँ पे आपको डिफरेंस लग रहा है? इवेंट छोड़ा, आपको डिफरेंस कहाँ पे लग रहा है? थर्ड वन, झील, झील अनम्यूट. अर्पिता बोलो.
इन क्रोमोसोम्स में.
क्रोमोसोम वो तो हो गया, कंडेंसेशन होगा तो ये once it condense then this format only. No, okay. Maitri,
Then the nucleus starts to disappear.
न्यूक्लियोलस, न्यूक्लियस नहीं, न्यूक्लियोलस. आपको यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियोलस दिख रहा है इन दिस इंटरफेस डार्क रीजन, राइट? बट ये तो क्या, जब स्प्रेडेड फॉर्म है तो ये पार्ट आपको दिखता है, बट वंस इट कन्वर्ट इनटू क्रोमोसोम कंडेंस फॉर्म then this one is disappear. So in this part you cannot find out this, so nucleolus disappear, right?
Zero, ma'am.
nucleolus disappear, right? चलिए next, one more event is there. Again see carefully, कहाँ पे changes लग रहा है? Quickly, कीर्तन.
मैम जो स्पिंडल फाइबर है वो सारा कर देगा.
वो तो डिस्कस हो गया कि स्पिंडल फाइबर लेंथ इंक्रीज हो रहा है जैसे जैसे सेंट्रियल मूव होगा, स्पिंडल फाइबर ओरिएंट. अदर देन दैट, जिया.
मैम ये जो न्यूक्लियस की आउटर लाइनिंग है वो चेंज्ड है.
हाँ, दैट वी कॉल न्यूक्लियस का मेम्ब्रेन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? चैप्टर नंबर 8 आना ही चाहिए. न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, राइट? न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन ओवर हियर देखो यहाँ पे इंटेक है in case of interface. Once the process begin, nuclear envelope start disintegrate or disappear, right? Gradually देखो ये प्रोफेज में यहाँ पे बिगिन हुआ, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Very much less nuclear envelope is there, right? So these are the events. Even cellular organelles are there inside the cell, that ER, Golgi body, this all cellular organelles, they are disappear. When mitosis division begins, they are present up to interphase. But once the mitosis division begins, this all cellular organelles disappear. Cell has their functional, there's a factor. Certain factors are there, they are responsible for that, right? So cellular organelles disappear, nuclear envelope disintegrate, next nucleolus disappear, next chromatin converts into chromosome. Two sister chromatids and centromere is formed. Next, centriole start moving towards that respective opposite pole. Next, mitotic spindle fiber orientation begins. बोलिए प्रोफेस क्लियर है आपको? If you have any doubt in prophase, let me know. Yes or no? Now, if you can make out early prophase and late prophase, क्रोमोसोम स्ट्रक्चर में डिफरेंस लग रहा है आपको? अर्ली एंड लेट में क्रोमोसोम स्ट्रक्चर्स आर सेम और differ, right? In that, in early, just condensation begins. Thread-like structure just है, thread-like structure, condensation begins. In this one, proper shape of the chromosome is formed, right? After prophase, चलिए, who will describe events of prophase? Anyone, one event आपको describe करना है. कीर्तन, start.
Ma'am, in prophase, the nuclear membrane will start a status. Means it will start a shading.
In prophase,
Ma'am, the nuclear membrane will start shading.
disintegration. Proper word is which one? Disintegration, right? Okay. Next, that's the second event, Maitri.
Nucleolus disappears.
Nucleolus disappear. Next, third event. Jia.
Ma'am, spindle fibers, centrioles move at their respective opposite poles.
Okay. Next. Sakshi.
Ma'am, spindle fiber orientation starts.
Okay. Next. Zil. Ayushi. Ayushi. Kirtan.
Ma'am, cell organelles like Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. will also disappear.
Disappear. Right? Okay. So anything is remaining? Any event is remaining? All are include, right? चलिए next. बोलिए मैत्री.
From chromatin develops to chromosomes.
Chromatin converts or condense into the chromosome, that sister chromatin and centromere formation, right? So, now next, after prophase, sequence you have to learn. First prophase, after prophase, that's the metaphase, right? Metaphase, in that, if you can see in your textbook, then early and the late prophase, in that pro-metaphase and metaphase, these terms are given. Pro meaning early, and then at the end we call the simple metaphase, right? Remember, in prophase, late prophase, cell, in that nuclear envelope is there. Nuclear envelope last में थोड़ा सा बाकी रह गया था, if you remember, in the end of the prophase, in which chromosome like this, right? So metaphase demarcation point is what? See, ये हम stages में learn कर रहे हैं. But have you all seen the video which I have sent? Mitosis के लिए,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So in that the cell is there, cell continuously, okay, without any break. Prophase में आया, condensation start, centriole move, and okay, within a second, it shift to the which one? Metaphase. Metaphase in that demarcation point over here, if you can make out, आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कहीं पे भी nuclear envelope now, which I have drawn over here? No, right? So nuclear envelope completely disintegrate. Nuclear envelope completely disintegrate. That is the demarcation point of metaphase. Right? Nuclear envelope, nuclear membrane that completely disintegrate. That is the demarcation point of metaphase. Next, after that over here, second point, what is the benefit of this? कि nuclear envelope क्यों disintegrate हो गया? Right? You know, nucleus is a very, very small sized organ, right? Cell, inside the cell, nuclear envelope is there, and inside that genetic material. Very narrow region is there over here in which this cell division is carried out. To properly carried out over here, this nuclear envelope disappear. So now all the chromosome, can I say that, come to the cytoplasm? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
All chromosomes now come, means spread in the which part? Cytoplasm. Because cytoplasm and जो DNA है, genetic content, in over here cytoplasm is there, then here nuclear envelope is there, and inside that genome. Between genome and cytoplasm, only that one membrane, nuclear membrane is there. Once this membrane is disintegrate, now the chromosomes come to that cytoplasmic region. So here in the cytoplasmic region, this chromosome spreaded properly. Next, in metaphase, remember, chromosome condensation begins in prophase. But chromosome condensation ends, complete condensation, right? That occurs at the metaphase. Complete chromosome condensation occurs at metaphase. Right? Now next. Once the chromosome condensation complete, they get the proper shape like this over here and centromere. Next is what? On both the side of the cell, that centriole is there. This centriole helps in what? Orientation of that microtubules, spindle fibers. Right? These spindle fibers attach to the chromosome with that kinetochore region. यहाँ पे तो ये centromere है ना, over here this part is what? Centromere at the center. Centromere on that sides, proteinaceous disc is present that we call kinetochore. To this kinetochore, spindle fiber attached. We have learned this, remember? Now next. So spindle fibers attach with the kinetochore in this early metaphase, and second is the end of the metaphase. Can you make out the differences over here? In early, that chromosomes are not at the equatorial plate or the equator side, center. Not all the chromosomes are present at the center. They are spread, some are spread in this, some are spread in this region. Everywhere in the cytoplasm, chromosomes are there. Right? Everywhere in the cytoplasm, chromosomes are there. Now, to make it simplify for division, here with the help of this microtubule, spindle fiber, all chromosomes that come at the center, Microtubules जो होते हैं that helps in to make this possible, that all the chromosomes arrange at the center. Once all the chromosomes arrange at the center, then the division becomes easy. Right? All the chromosomes which are now coming to the cytoplasm after nuclear membrane disintegration, they attach with the spindle fiber. Spindle fiber with their, okay, spindle fiber has this property. It can easily, okay, helps in shorten. It can shorten, it can lengthen. Contraction, relaxation कैसे होता है? Same way. It helps in to arrange all the chromosomes at the center. Right? This is the property of the which one? Spindle fiber. It helps in to arrange all the chromosomes at the center. Really, up to here clear. First metaphase, nuclear membrane disintegrate completely. So now the chromosomes come to the cytoplasm, evenly spread in the cytoplasm. It will end soon rejoin. Then these chromosomes attach with the spindle fiber. So spindle fiber helps into all the chromosomes arrange at the center. Right? That arrangement of all the chromosome at the center, that meeting of the chromosome we call congregation.